Finland, the happiest country in the world. Winters here are cold and long. Summer's just cold, with its hard-working, humble, and quiet people. A perfect place to start manufacturing the best electric distribution boards in the world. Now, if ever, electricity is needed to connect us, keep us safe, and the society running. Our products play a very important role in that. Global market requirements are growing and need to be high quality and cost effective. The answer to these challenges is Finelcomp unique flexible modular enclosure system. Our outstanding service starts at the design table and extends to product delivery and after-sales operations. Why Finelcomp attracts a lot of international customers is its attention to detail, which results in an extremely high-quality product. We also offer comprehensive solutions for the customer, with digital tools that support the operations. Our modular system gives a big advantage to customers. It is the fastest and easiest to assemble, component-independent, tested and certified. It's very cost-efficient to transport and store. It is proven to increase your competitiveness in the market. Our production is streamlined and complies with modern manufacturing principles. We constantly keep our machinery up to date by making significant annual investments in production, product development, testing, and design software. That takes us forward. Over the past 30 years, we have gained expertise in this field. Our services include R&D, solutions for your electricity enclosure problems, manufacturing, and after-delivery services. Finelcomp, electrifying your business.